what is up? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're in Bergen.
How do you say it like that?
Bergen. I don't know if I'm saying it properly, so I'm kind of like self-conscious about it.
It's just Bergen.
No, we're just Bergen. It's
yeah, I don't know why you're saying it like that.
that's the way the pilot said it when we landed.
Yeah, like you have to say it in a Norwegian accent. So we got here yesterday, we took a train in. Make sure that you're keeping up with all my Europe vlogs. I'm making a playlist of like all the vlogs. Now we're in Bergen. Today we have a big day. We are doing a boat tour. Alyssa is really excited because she loves boats. I love boats. She loves boats like more than the average person should love a boat. It's true. So we're doing a boat tour, which is really exciting. And then after our boat tour, we are going to hike up Mount Ulriken?
Mount Ulriken.
That. We're gonna hike up that. And then it's really close to our Airbnb. We're staying in an Airbnb house. It's way cheaper. It's actually really nice. I'll like insert some clips here of it. We have a balcony.
That's lit!
We just wanted a balcony so bad.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh, a piano. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Wait, there's a downstairs?
We have like double beds, but
There's so much room for activities.
It's crazy.
It's 3
Coolest Airbnb ever.
Yo, what up? It's your boy C Rides. We're here in Bergen, Norway. You know,
I'm cringing.
We're gonna do a house tour for you today with Rome with Rach. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Let's get this show on the road. Head into my nice kitchen here. But yeah, we got a nice little setup here.
All right, go, quick pace.
Here you got like the best part about it almost. This sweet view of Bergen.
Connor, we need to be doing this faster. You missed the piano. Connor, you gotta film me. I gotta show you how it's done now. All right, we got the piano over here. We got the nice, beautiful living room. The couch is
That's my bed if you could please
Connor's
not
gonna be
run on it.
sleeping here because he set an alarm and woke everyone up and everyone hates him. Jamie's room. This is Zach and I's room. I feel it's like a teenage boy's room. This is where Alyssa and Rhonda will sleep. And Connor will not enter, right?
No promises.
Bye, thanks for coming. But yeah, it's a really nice Airbnb house. It was really cheap because we split it 6 ways, so definitely something you should do if you can get a bunch of friends to come with you to anywhere in Europe. So our house Airbnb is like a stone's throw away is what they say from this mountain. So that's why we're going to go hike up the mountain later because it's so close to our Airbnb. I will leave a link for the Airbnb in the description below if you want to check it out and go to the same Airbnb that we did. This morning we made the collective group decision that we need to be more serious when we're like waking up because we missed our tour this morning at 10 a.m. Yeah, I think Connor and Jamie have slept a total of 3 hours, I think, since we've been in Europe, and we've been in Europe for like a good 4 days now. So we're gonna walk around Bergen for a little bit and then we're gonna go to our boat tour. Honestly, I'm liking Bergen a lot more. I don't even know how to say it, I keep saying it different ways. I like Bergen a lot more than I like Oslo so far, just because we've been able to like come out and take walks in the city. Also a little tip for if you ever come here, it is cheaper to get day passes for the bus on this app. I'll like insert the name and give you some information here, but it's definitely cheaper to do that. So a little money saving tip if you're coming to Norway is to just download that app and then you can pay with like your credit card. Yay! Thank you so much.
That's why.
Do you see he looks better now?
perfect.
Perfect. Awesome.
We're so happy now.
Thank you so much.
Listen,
We're so hyped.
We love boats.
We love boats. We love boats.
I'm with Rach. So we're going out tonight, right?
No, you guys have not slept at all this whole trip.
3:30 a.m. wake up for our 7:45 a.m. flight. I think our best decision here is to go to the bars tonight.
No.
I'll
I
rock,
would
paper,
actually-
scissors.
I was
If I
down for
lose,
both.
I'll do whatever he does.
All right, Jamie's finally standing up for himself with the rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Guess we're going to the bars.
So.
So we got back to our Airbnb and now we are off. We're going to do our hike. I still can't say the name of the hike. Mount Ulriken?
I think.
Say it?
Ulriken, I think.
Ulriken. So it's literally, apparently, a stone's throw away from our Airbnb. So we are gonna go walk there. I think it's gonna be pretty close. Like, we're already pretty high up. I'll like insert here like a view from our Airbnb because we're really high up already, so I don't think it'll be too far a walk. Alyssa, how do you feel?
It's kind of cold, but you know. Once we're walking.
I feel like you're the only one who is like, I'm not prepared for this
Me?
hike.
Yeah, because I literally lay in bed and eat McDonald's every day. So,
I'm actually excited.
Yeah.
I'm gonna engage my glutes. Step one.
engage.
Step two, always engage the glutes. And step two, I'm gonna try not to die.
Yep, me too.
Those were really steps, more like tips. Tips for hiking, engage glutes, and try not to die. Everyone, engage your glutes. Alyssa and I are already winded. Alyssa, get up. Oh my god, is that slug? Let's go, slowpoke. I'm just kidding, you can take your time. You're actually a nature chick.